has a brand new, one-of-a-kind school. It's to teach students about the wild, wonderful world of artificial intelligence, as well as technology in general. WAAY 31's Maddie McCaffrey visited Mars School and has everything you need to know about it.
I had so much fun getting to see what Mars is all about. It stands for Microcollective of AI, Robotics, and the Sciences. It's a micro school that meets once a week on Tuesdays and homeschools the rest of the days. And technology is their focus. The school is cutting edge and jam-packed with a curriculum full of STEM. They make podcasts, build websites, write books with AI, build robots, and do virtual reality quests. Founder Jennifer Wolverton says they're preparing the students for the world we live in today with growing artificial intelligence.
But I wanted to create something that would usher in the future. And I felt like I live in Rocket City. There's really no better place than this for this micro school to exist. And I'd really like for it to go around the state of Alabama.
They're also looking for adults who love technology to be guides to the students and teach their curriculum. One student I spoke with says she absolutely loves the Mars program.
The most important part is learning to be in a structured environment. And I think it's good for homeschoolers to get have a social life and everything, and then also get to do cool stuff that other people can't do.
And they're looking to have 36 to 48 students in the program, and we've got information on our website, waaytv.com, on how to apply. Reporting with coverage you can count on, Maddie McCaffrey, WAAY 31 News.